Hello guys, today I will show you how to get unlimited USA number free, full free. So let's start. If you cannot do subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel. Hurry up. So first of all, you need a apps. Which apps need? That was name, second line. The second line apps you find the Play Store, then you install it. After install it, you just open it. When you create open, then you need to create a new account. After create a new account, then you just log in. I have already account, so I cannot need sign up. So I tell you how to create a new number. So let's start. When you are new, then you create a new account. Email, password, then create account option. So I have already created, so I can click on login. Just a login here. Wait. When you just login, then you need to be registered name with your original name, age, and done. After done, then you get a new free number. So every new number you need to be create a new account. Just clear the app data. Just clear data, then again create a new account, then you will get a new number. So today is my that video. So if you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.